Please subscribe to our channel, and for latest update, click on the bell icon.
Now we will talk about how happy we feel, how proud mommy feels about you. So, what are the things you should do to keep your parents feel proud about you? And in turn, you also need to be proud, happy about yourself. So, I must feel proud. With other times, when do you feel proud, happy for yourself, about yourself? So, what we are going to do now is, I must feel proud. I cannot talk about the pride, happy. Okay, I must feel happy about myself, joyful about myself. So, I must feel proud. That's what we are going to talk about. I must feel proud. Proud of what? Of myself, of my work, what I do, what I can achieve. Okay, now, when you say you're proud, you must take it in a nice manner. Okay, now let's talk about, I'll tell you a little story about a crow. Here, you cannot say the crow was, you cannot feel the crow was very happy about himself. There was a little crow who did not feel proud about himself, a crow. So he said, oh, I'm not so happy. I'm not feeling proud that I'm a crow. I will dress up and pretend to be somebody else. He saw a little peacock and everybody was admiring the peacock. Everyone was so happy because the peacock could dance and put out his feathers. So he went collecting the feathers dropped by a peacock and he stuffed himself with the peacock feathers. Then after dressing up like a peacock, the crow thought, oh, now I am feeling proud that I am a peacock. But he's a crow. So he went very proudly, very happily, he went to meet his friend's crow. The crows looked at her, this pretending to be a peacock crow. Oh, they all chased him away. They did not take him in their group. So this crow, what did he feel? Did he feel proud? He felt very unwanted. They chased him away from the group. So he said, okay, fine, I shall go and join the peacock. All the peacocks looked at him and chased him away. Again, he got rejected. He did not feel happy. He did not feel proud of pretending to be a peacock. So what is the moral of the story? The story says, be proud. You must feel proud of yourself. Be happy with what you are. Keep yourself happy so that your parents are happy. So we are going to talk about today, I must feel proud for what? For the friends I have. Let's talk about the friends in the neighborhood, in your house, friends in your class. So I must feel happy. I must feel proud for the friends that I have. I must feel proud for the friends that I have. That I have. Now, when you say friends, all your classmates of other class, your neighborhood children you play with, the neighbors' children that you play with, all those are your friends. it is your friends who make you feel good. So whatever they are, you must feel proud of them. I must feel proud for the friends that I have. Friends are your gifts. You cannot be playing alone. You need company. So, here we are talking about how you feel. I feel so happy to be with my friend. Then I must feel proud. I have such wonderful friends that I can spend time with. And you're happy with them, you feel safe with them, so you feel proud of them. What else? In the school, you need to be feeling proud, happy. In the school, what's happening? In the school, you have programs. You have school programs, isn't it? And you take part in the school programs. So when you feel proud, when you participate in school program, when you go on the stage. So the next is, I must feel proud when I participate in school programs. So there is a school program, Children's Day coming up, and you take part in a lot of activities on the stage. And what do you feel? You feel proud, confident, happy. So when I participate in the school programs, I feel very happy, I feel very proud that I am participating. And who is supporting you? Your friends. Because you feel proud. Your friends support you, clap for you, make you happy. So being proud of yourself, feeling good about yourself is the pride. Whenever you feel good, then you feel proud that you have good friends to play with, that you are on the stage, and who is supporting? All your friends. Now, on the sports field, how will you feel happy, proud? When you win a medal, when you have sports day, when you win a medal, then you feel very proud. All your friends will say, wow. So, when I must feel proud when I win a medal in a games field, in any games. So I must feel proud. I'm so happy to feel proud when I win. What do you win in the sports field? A medal. Medal. It can be gold, silver, anything. Certificate. So feeling proud is feeling confident, feeling happy. You have won something, and there your friends are there to applaud, to help you, clap for you, make you feel good. So all the time you're feeling good, you're feeling happy. And so you will say to yourself, I must feel proud. When you have friends that you have. When you participate on the stage and friends are there to support you. When you win a medal on the games field, on the sports day, you feel very proud of yourself. Now, there are children, there are people who are in need of you. Then what will you say? I must feel proud to help someone in need. That time really, genuinely, you will be happy. So I must feel proud to help someone in need. Okay? So the next point we're talking about is, I feel proud to help someone in need, any help someone wants, you are willing to give. So I feel proud to help someone in need. Feeling proud is feeling happy, genuinely joyful, free, happy. You children, little girl and boy, you're always free, happy. So you say to yourself, I must feel proud. When? Why do you feel proud? Why do you feel so happy? For all the friends that I have. I must feel proud when I participate in school competitions or school programs. I must feel proud when I win a medal where at sports. You win medals at sports day. I must feel proud when I help someone in need. Now, who are the people who needs you? You are a little girl and boy. In the class, there might be a child who needs a pencil, a pen, a book, or there might be someone who didn't bring the snacks. You are ready to share. Or there is someone who has fallen, needs some support to go to the medical room. So helping someone, you have two large chocolates, and as you're walking along, you saw a poor little girl anxiously looking at the chocolate, and you are willing to share it, give that one piece to her. So you feel very proud to help someone in need in your class, in the school. That is, then everyone will say, what a helpful child you are. And you feel so proud, feeling goodness in you, feeling good inside you. Okay, now you feel proud to solve a problem yourself. Okay, you are given some problem to solve, and then when you do it yourself without help, getting help from someone, you really feel happy. That real joy is what we call pride in you. You really say, I did it, I can do it. So I must feel proud to solve a problem myself, a problem without help. Okay, that is feeling real joy. To solve a problem without help. Without help. You don't need anybody's help. You will try your best on your own, and then you feel really proud. Yeah, I did it. I can do it. And that is the joy, that happiness is what we call being proud. So I must feel proud to solve a problem without help. Then you feel really very happy. Then what about instructions? Instructions given in the sports field, instruction on the given by the teacher, instructions are given by mummy, elders. Now what about all these instructions? When you understand, especially in your classroom, when teacher, when headmistress, somebody gives you some instructions and you understand the instruction and you follow it, what do you feel? You feel very proud. So I must feel proud for understanding instructions clearly. Okay? So I must feel proud when or for understanding instructions. Understanding instructions given. Here, when you say you're understanding, your brain is working. Yeah, somebody is giving something. Teacher says, do this, you'll do like this. And all are keenly listening to the teacher. And you are able to understand. You know exactly what the teacher wants. And this is what I'm going to do. This. So, and you feel so happy and so proud. And that's what I feel here. I must feel proud for understanding instructions given in the class or in the games field or given by a teacher or given by a team leader, whatever. And that you feel very happy. So let's look at all the points that we have spoken about. Feeling proud is ability to do. Being happy. I must feel proud. That means I must feel happy all the time. Okay? I must feel proud for the friends I have. Friends are the precious gift God gives you. So, what am I feeling now? I'm feeling very happy. I must feel proud for all the friends that I have. I must feel proud when I participate in school programs. And who is supporting you here? Your wonderful friends. I must feel proud when I win a trophy, a medal. Where? At the games field. Who is helping you, supporting you, applauding you? Your friends. I must feel proud to help someone in need in the class, outside the class, helping, giving something, supporting, helping somebody to solve a problem. And you feel really happy and proud. I must feel proud to solve a problem, do a work without anybody's help. Then you say, yeah, I did it. I feel so proud. I must feel proud for understanding instructions given. And then you say, wow, my brain is working. Wow, I am capable. So I feel very proud, so happy with myself. I'm so satisfied, happy with myself. Not like the crow who did not feel happy with itself but wanted to be somebody else. Now, let's see, look at the sound that has come into this. You must keep on recollecting all the sounds that you have learned previously. The I sound is E, Inky the mouse. Then you have M. Then you have P, F and P. P is P. Then here again you have T, T. And you have T again, E again, and when you're tired, you say have. W has the sound of wa. When. E. So you say I. P. Participate. And then you have s. School. And you have again P sound. P. Then you have ha sound again. N. And then you have s. P. Wa. G. And O. Let's read it together. I must feel proud for the friends that I have. I must feel proud when I participate in a school program. I must feel proud when I win a medal or a trophy at the games field. I must feel proud to help someone in need. I must feel proud to solve a problem without help. I must feel proud for understanding an instruction. So, in all these cases, what do you feel? You feel happy. You feel satisfied with yourself. So, you feel very proud of yourself. Being a happy child, definitely you will feel very proud of yourself. Now, I must feel proud to be myself for what I am. That's very important. Okay? I must feel proud to be myself for what I am. I must feel proud to be myself for what I am. Not like the crow who said, I want to be somebody else. Only when you feel proud of yourself, only when you are proud for what you are, will you be happy. To feel proud, you need to be happy person. So, I must feel proud to be myself. This is what I am, for what I am. So when you say myself, you must, oh, I wish I was like that girl. Then you are not proud to be yourself. Oh, I wish I was like that boy. I wish I was studying in that school. I wish I had that bag. I wish I was taller. I wish. No, that means you're not happy with yourself. Here, you must accept, feel happy for what you are. I must feel proud to be myself for what I am. Then you will be really happy. What we are trying to tell you is be proud, be happy. Happy with yourself. Be satisfied with yourself. Now, I must feel proud that I have such wonderful parents, whoever they are, your father, mother. You must feel proud of them. Only then you can make them happy and they make you happy. Okay? Now, so I must feel proud that I have wonderful parents. Parents. You must be happy with your parents. Just tell mommy, I'm so proud of you, mama. I'm so proud I belong to this house. I'm so proud that you are making me feel so good. So I must feel proud that I have wonderful parents. They are trying to tell you we are happy with you. You too must tell them. You must tell them, look, I feel proud that I have wonderful mommy and daddy like you. So you must affirm what you receive. So only when you are joyful, happy, satisfied, when you are happy with yourself, can you make your parents happy. So first be happy yourself, accept your parents, accept yourself, then you can make them happy. Then I must feel proud that I come from a lovely family. I belong to a lovely family. So I must feel proud that I belong to this family. Whichever family you belong to, you need to feel proud. Proud means happy. You must be satisfied, joyful. Only then you will grow. So I must feel proud to be myself for what I am. Maybe tall, short, fat, fair. I must feel proud that I have such wonderful parents, affirming, saying, accepting. Again, I must feel proud that I belong to this family and not that. Never wish to be elsewhere. God wants you to be there, to be like this. So you must feel proud you belong to this family, to this wonderful parents. School. What about the school you are studying? You must say to yourself, I must feel proud that I am studying in this particular school. So, the school where you study, okay? I must feel proud that I am studying in this school. So, accepting, see, I belong to this school. I am very proud of the school. So that I am happy. I am happy studying there. I am happy being there. I am happy going there. Feeling good. So, I must feel proud that I am studying in this wonderful institution. So that I grow up to be a wonderful little girl. Now, I must feel proud. I must feel proud that I am an Indian. Do you feel? Yes, you have to feel. I must feel proud that I am an Indian. I am an Indian. Belong to India. Living in India. Being proud of its leaders. Making India a better place. Only you and I can do it. So, I must feel proud that I am an Indian. You must not say, oh, I don't like it, I'll go live elsewhere. Well, they'll send you back. But wherever you are, in this family, in India, wherever you live, what must you do? Feel proud and see what good you can do to make that place a better place. When else do you feel proud? I must feel proud when I get a first rank. Yes, you're working so hard, you love your parents, you love your friends, you work so hard. So I must feel proud when I get the first rank in the class. That's a real time to show your pride, to be happy. So I must feel proud when I get the first rank. You worked hard for it. Okay? You are placed first in the class. Why? You worked hard. You were a happy child. You worked. You studied. You used your brain. So, your hard work is this. So, what do? I must feel proud when I get the first rank. Yes. What about after getting the first rank, the teacher write report about you for being so good in the class, in the school? How do you feel that? I must feel proud when I get a good report at school. Everybody says, wonderful girl, wonderful boy. So, I must feel proud when I get a good report at school. When I get a good report. Everybody says, good report. When? From? Report from school. School gives you a wonderful report for the hard work you've done, the way you behaved, the way you go about in the class, in the school. So they give you a wonderful report. So I feel proud when I get a wonderful report about me at school. Now, you must feel proud that you are a boy or a girl. You must say, I am. I must feel proud that I am a girl. I must feel proud that I am a boy. Yes. So you must feel proud. I must feel proud that I am a girl. That I am a girl or I am a boy. Accepting yourself. Being happy with yourself. So, you must feel proud. See, I am a little girl and everybody loves me. I am a little boy. I am happy that I am a boy. And above all, you must feel proud to do the things that you do to make your parents feel proud of you. That's a very important point. Not enough to feel proud, not enough to feel joyful, getting good name from the school, getting a good report, trophy. But above all, I must feel proud to make my parents happy. That means what must you do? I must do all the good things. I must feel happy. Then, when you do all this, what is your parent feeling? I must feel proud to make my dad and mom feel proud about me. They'll say, oh, we are so proud. We have such a wonderful girl. We are so proud that we have such a wonderful boy. So getting an affirmation from your parent is the important. When you take all this to your house, how parents feel? They feel so happy about you. Okay? So, what is the meaning feeling proud, feeling happy, feeling joyful? And as a result, because you feel proud about yourself. You accept yourself. Whether you're a short or a thin, for what I am, whatever you are, Wherever you are, whoever you are, you must say, I am proud, I am happy. I feel proud that I have such wonderful parents. So I told you, the parents must also in turn. What was the work you do? Must make your parents feel proud of you too. I feel proud that I belong to this family, not that family. I feel proud that I am studying in this institution. I feel proud that I am an Indian. When I try to make India a better place where I live, I feel proud that when I get the first rank in the class, when you work very hard, you feel joyful. I feel proud when I get good report about me from school. I feel proud that I'm a girl. I feel proud that I'm a boy. And finally, I feel proud because when I do all this, I make my parents feel proud about me. They feel pride. They take a pride in saying, this is my girl. So you have to work hard for all this. You got to remain joyful and happy for what? To make your parents feel good. Now let's look at some of the sounds here. Here you have F, per, then you have again wa, then you have H, burp, ter, then sound again, then you have E here, g, sound you have, again report you have, sound, g sound, okay, g sound, b. Now let's read la for the final time. I must feel proud to be myself for what I am. I must feel proud that I have wonderful parents. I must feel proud that I belong to this family. I must feel proud that I am studying in this school. I must feel proud that I am an Indian. I must feel proud when I get the first rank. I must feel good. I must feel proud when I get good report about me from school. And I must feel proud that I am a girl. I must feel proud that I am a little boy. Feeling good, feeling happy, then you feel proud.